What's up, Pyros? Today we're going to take a look at another Raccoon firework. This is a 200-gram cake. I believe it's 19 shots in total. I think it's on the back side here. Yeah, 19 shots, 35 seconds, very loud, straight up. Take a look at performance here. So we have titanium gold palm with gold strobe, green strobe, and red strobe. So gold, green, and red. Nice combination of effects. This might be a good Christmas style cake based on what the performance shows, but take a look at the tubes. So I'd say about 1/2 inch inside diameter, maybe 3/4 now. 1/2 inch, definitely 1/2 inch. We'll see the fuse is over here. So we'll probably see the fuse is going to go in this first tube. Probably burn 3, 4, 5, 3, 3. Don't know how many shots can be in the finale, but definitely excited to check it out because I know all these Raccoon 200-gram cakes that I've been shooting been really good. So hopefully this one lives up to the Raccoon name as well. But I think we'll go ahead and just jump straight in the demo. So we have Raccoon Fireworks 200-gram 19-shot cake called Viper Strike. For now, I hope you Pyros enjoy, and I will see you all this Friday with another demo video. I like that one.